What's up guys, welcome to Chomping Champion. मैं हूं आपका दोस्त अनूप कामत. We are doing viral raps now. It's trending all over TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. So we made two raps last time. A non-veg rap with chicken tikka and a vegetarian rap with aloo tikki. But today we are going to do another rap, an entirely different rap with South Indian ingredients. We are going to make a rap with dosa. So we are going to make dosa and then make a wrap. All the ingredients have been made at home, including the batter, including the masala, the chutney and the gunpowder or the mulagai pudi. So let's start cooking. So we have a beautiful dosa. It is almost round. We'll do with this. So let's cut the dosa from the center. You can see how it is cut. So now we have the idli powder, mulagai pudi. I mixed it with little bit of oil. Just see the consistency of the gunpowder or mulagai pudi. So let's smear a little bit here. Little bit of coconut chutney on this side. I think that's a little bit. I think this is too much of chutney. So let me remove a little bit. Just spread it thin. This is the aloo sabji. Little bit of ginger, little bit of green chilies and onions have gone inside this. It is mashed properly. So this is the masala or the aloo sabji which goes inside masala dosa. And this is mixture or South Indian namkeen. They normally call it mixture because it's a mixture of lot of things. It's a mixture of fried dal, it is there are peanuts in it and various crispies. I'm going to put this inside because it will create a crunch in this dosa wrap. If you don't have this mixture, please go ahead with potato chips, Lay's, Kurkure, whatever you have in hand. So let's put little bit of mixture here. Now let's make the wrap. So we lift this piece, turn it like this. Turn once again and the final turn. So this is our dosa wrap. We'll just heat it up on the tawa and then we'll taste this. So our dosa wrap is ready. What has gone inside is the coconut chutney, the gunpowder or mulagai pudi, and the yellow sabji and our special namkeen or mixture in South Indian languages. You can use anything crispy instead of this mixture because I just want to give it a little different texture. The chutney is little liquidy, the gunpowder is little grainy and it's with oil, and the sabji is mashed so it is little soft and this will give a crunch. So let's taste the dosa wrap. I don't even miss sambar because There are so many flavors going inside this wrap. Actually, if you're on the move, if you're going to the office or you want to carry lunch to the school, dosa wrap is definitely an option which you can consider. I've seen different variations of this wrap on Instagram. Even with chapati or with chila or with pesarattu, the wraps are getting made. This is certainly different. Let me know what is your favorite wrap in the comments below. Make it and send me a picture on my WhatsApp. I hope you have liked this short video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel Chomping Champion till now, click the red button right here. Also click on the bell button to get the notifications. We are also there on social media, and I request you to check our website www.chompingchampion.com. Till the next video, bye and take care.